So I installed a bumper air duct. This is from a 350Z. Originally I was gonna put it in this little section right here where the intake actually is, but it looked kind of off. So I moved it a little bit more to the left, but it cleared. I did have to cut the bumper support, I believe, just a little bit, just so it could clear. But if you do move it more to the right, then it should have no problem clearing. Yeah, but this is it. What I used to cut it was a Dremel with one of these cutting blades. This is the one I used, and this is the Dremel. I did cut out a piece about that big off my bumper. Here's the front of it in order to make it fit, but it's not too big. As well, I did end up putting a Type S exhaust. This is a 08 base. It directly bolts up. The only issue is right here. Since the base bumper, the opening is not that big, so I ended up taking out the trim and cutting the place where the trim was in order to make this kind of fit. But once I get a Type S rear lip, it should be fit a lot more. But yep, that's how it looks. And it's just a quick walk around.